Yeah, hi, good morning. So today we are going to discuss about this use case where a business can engage with their customers through LinkedIn. So the use case is actually, see, as a business, suppose I provide I sell some products or services to my customers. Okay. Now I have to reach out to the customers, right? So maybe my customers are having the requirements and they're discussing the requirements in LinkedIn, right? So how do I search those posts where they are discussing the requirements, and how do I engage with them? So we have built this AI agent solution. So what this solution will do, it will have three agents. One of the agent will form a query based on my products and services. Suppose in the user interface, in the dashboard, I give the description about my product or services. Suppose I say that I provide AI services to enterprises. This LinkedIn query strategist will form a prompt that will search all the posts in LinkedIn from the people who are looking for AI services. Okay, it will form the query to filter the post. Then it will pass on the query to other agent, which is a LinkedIn data collector. So this data collector will fetch all the posts from LinkedIn. Okay, will get all the posts from the users who are looking for AI services. Then it will pass on to other agent, which is LinkedIn engagement creator. So what this agent will do, it will go through each of the posts and it will create a reply uh, the post as per their requirement. So in the post, suppose if the customer talk about something, so exactly for that it will create the reply. It should be like a human. It shouldn't be like some agentic. So we have created the solution. It looks like we are providing accurate with proper context, humanized feedback to the query, right? And then when the customer is engaged, then maybe this like the business can themselves get in touch with the customer and they can take ahead with that. So we are using Apify to get all the posts from LinkedIn, and then we use this LinkedIn itself to create this post, right? So this is the solution. So this is called LinkedIn post engagement solution using CrevAI. So CrevAI is a complete this agents orchestration platform. And for user interface, we're using Streamlit, right? So now I'll hand over to our developer, Sarthak, who will just run the demo, and then he'll also explain the code. Yes,
Yeah,
Sarthak,
so
over to
as
you.
you can see,
Thank you.
yeah, so as you can see that I have the demo on it. Like I need AI solution for my business. So what it will do, it will first hand over all the things to LinkedIn query strategist. Now this query strategist will try to make sprangly 2 or 3 queries from this query. Means it will try to search this query as it is also, but it will also try to create 2 or 3 more queries from this query which can get us the potential customer, which can get any business potential customer, potential engagement links they want. And then from that, it will pass on to this LinkedIn data collector. Now, LinkedIn data collector will use the Apify to search for to search all the posts through LinkedIn using my browser keys, and it will search through LinkedIn that okay, these are the posts which may be required, which have the similar queries in that. And see, as you can see, there are so many results regarding those posts. And then there is this LinkedIn engagement creator, which generates the comments for this post. As you can see that this was a post to say goodbye to manual close AI powered workflow and something means we can see that it was regarding right and how beautiful it has created a comment. This is fantastic example of power automation. We have helped several companies streamline their invoice processing using similar AI-driven workflow, resulting significant time and cost saving. If anybody is looking to implement something like this, we are happy to offer a consultation and share our experience. So as you can see that how beautifully it has created, and then using LinkedIn API, you can either post the comment, you can copy the comment, or you can save the results and you can save the results for later on. So let's now deep dive into the code. So yeah, as we can see, all the agents are working in a sequential manner. Means the first, whenever user queries, it will first come to this agent, which is LinkedIn search strategist. as you can see, it analyzes user query and creates 2-3 optimized query from that query, and then those queries are searched one by one through our this tool. As you can see, LinkedIn get cookies. These are cookies from a browser, and yeah, this tool search from the keyword all the posts which are required. And as you can see, there are so many things passed on to it to Apify. Then Apify scrapes all the posts from the LinkedIn, which through the data collector, and then data collector analyzes, okay, these are the posts which are actually of our interest, because there might be so many posts which have which Apify have fetched, but we need to find, okay, which are actually of our that we have.
One question, Sarthak. Data collector will connect with Apify, not the query, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so query will basically just create the queries, multiple queries to extract the data, and it will pass on to data collector, and data collector will connect to Apify to get all the post.
To get all the posts, and then it will try to decide, okay, these are actually those posts
Yeah.
which will be needing. And then LinkedIn engagement creator is the one which is responsible for our engagement, for creating those comments. And then all these agents will work in sequential manner and complete their task. And as you can see, they will return uh, their final result in this JSON format, which is final result. It will contain the title of the comment, the text of the comment, the URL of the post which is required for further commenting, and the comment which is generated by the agent. And then we will use this LinkedIn API helper, which uses the post URL which is present uh, in the link, and using that you can comment on LinkedIn.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Sarthak, is there any cost for Apify tool?
Apify has a cost. It is like you get $100 of free, and like approximately 10 to 20 GBs of data you can call for free. But after that, you have to pay to Apify.
Okay. So if somebody want to just run the demo, so they can get
Yes.
2 free credits.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And this when I click that send, so it will connect with LinkedIn, right? So that is working.
Yeah. Yeah, that is working. Yeah, I have it working, but it is not like connected to my ID, so I thought of.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, you can do it later, but otherwise it will actually send the comment to somebody.
Yeah.
Okay. And for Crew AI, like we have open source version, right? So there is no cost for
Yes,
Crew
sir.
AI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this can be deployed where this will be deployed?
It can be deployed on Streamlit itself. It can be deployed on Render. It can be deployed anywhere. We can
Okay.
see in Streamlit we get directly the deploy option. We can here directly connect to Streamlit Community Cloud or Snowflake if we want for enterprise level, and we can deploy it directly from it.
Okay, fine. So if anybody want to have the demo, they can contact us, and we can provide the solution. We can give the demo, right? And yeah. All right. So if anybody has any comments, you can just, I mean, you can ask in the same this video below, and we'll get back to you. All right. Thank you.